Welcome to Nutri-Delights, your trusted source for expert guidance on kidney health and nutrition. Here, we bring you the latest research-backed tips, practical advice, and delicious kidney-friendly recipes to help you protect and support your kidneys every day. Join us on the journey to better kidney wellness and vibrant health. Your kidneys filter about 50 gallons of blood daily, removing toxins from everything you consume. But when overwhelmed, waste accumulates, causing symptoms like brain fog, swollen ankles, fatigue, and frequent nighttime urination. Over 37 million Americans have kidney damage, often unknowingly. Fortunately, 3 common kitchen spices can help support kidney health by enhancing filtration, reducing inflammation, and flushing out toxins. The first spice is Ceylon cinnamon, often mistaken just as a sweetener. It protects your kidney's tiny filters called nephrons from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals with compounds like cinnamaldehyde and comic acid. Studies confirm its antioxidant effects improve kidney cell health and help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing strain on kidneys, especially in diabetes. Use half to 1 teaspoon daily in coffee, oatmeal, or smoothies, but choose true Ceylon cinnamon for safety, avoiding cheaper cassia cinnamon with liver and kidney damaging. The second spice is fresh parsley, a natural diuretic that gently boosts urine production to flush out toxins efficiently without stressing your kidneys. Parsley's flavonoids and vitamin C enhance antioxidant defense in kidney cells, lowering inflammation and supporting function. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley daily to salads, soups, or smoothies, or drink parsley tea to stimulate detoxification. Avoid high doses if you have kidney stones or are pregnant due to oxalates and possible uterine stimulation. The third spice is cayenne pepper, which dilates blood vessels via its active compound capsaicin. This improves blood flow to kidneys, ensuring waste is carried away smoothly while protecting kidney tissue from oxidative damage. Capsaicin may also help prevent kidney scarring. Start with a small pinch daily in meals or smoothies, gradually increasing as tolerated. People with sensitive digestion or advanced kidney disease should consult a healthcare provider first. Hydration is critical. These spices can only work if your kidneys have enough water to flush toxins. Aim to drink half your body weight in ounces of water daily, sipping steadily rather than gulping, and enhance water with lemon or cucumber for extra antioxidants. Avoid foods high in sodium, oxalates, and added sugars, which harm kidney function by causing inflammation, water retention, and oxidative stress. Finally, incorporate gentle daily movement, like 10 to 15 minutes of walking or stretching to boost kidney blood flow and multiply these benefits. Improved circulation ensures the spice's protective compounds reach kidney cells effectively. By integrating Ceylon cinnamon for protection, parsley to flush toxins, cayenne for circulation, plus proper hydration, kidney-friendly nutrition, and movement, you can support healthier kidneys naturally. Within weeks, many notice clearer urine, less swelling, higher energy, and improved kidney. But remember, consistency matters most. Protect your kidneys daily to maintain health, avoid complications, and enjoy a better quality of life. Thank you for watching Nutri-Delights. Stay committed to your kidney health by embracing smart nutrition and healthy habits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss our latest tips and recipes. Together, let's nourish your kidneys for a healthier tomorrow.